let's stay original and play C. Since we're starting on that note, we're going to create the C major scale. Okay, so C is our first note in the scale. The second note will be a whole step away from the first note. That's a half step. Plus another half step, we get a whole step. So the second note in the scale of C major is D. Then still going up by a whole step, the third note is E. From here we're going to go up by one half step and land on F. Then from that one, go up by one whole step. You have G. Go up again, one whole step. You have A. And then again go up by one whole step. And now we're on B, the seventh note in the scale and also the last one, because after that we're going to go up by one half step, landing back on C. And as you know, the notes will repeat themselves after that, so we finished our major scale. It has 7 notes in total. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, to create a major scale, we will always use the same formula. Take any note, and from that note, go up a whole step, then a half step, a whole step, a whole step, a whole step, and then a half step. That's what the major scale sounds like. Let's take another note. Let's play F and apply the same formula. We're going to go up by a whole step, then a half step. We have this one, A sharp or B flat. Then going up a whole step. We have C, then D, going up a whole step. A whole step again, we have E. And finally, go up by one half step and land back on F. That's the F major scale. And you might have noticed that the F major scale and the C major scale kind of have the same sound. And that's because we played a different succession of notes, but we used the same order. So relatively speaking, we played the same thing. The only difference between the two is just that F is higher in pitch than C. Moving on now to the minor scale. Just like the major scale, we're going to use a specific formula to create that scale. And for the minor scale, we have this formula. We're going to take one note. That will be our first note in the scale. I'm playing A, so we're going to create the A minor scale. So that's our first note. From that one, go up a whole step. You have B. Now go up one half step. You have C. Go up a whole step. From D, go up again by one whole step. You have E. Then going up by one half step, you're going to land on F. Then go up one whole step. You have G. And that's all the notes for the scale. Right after that, we're going to go up one whole step and land back on A. That's the A minor scale. So for the minor scale, take any note, go up a whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, half step, whole step, and then whole step. I started on C, so I played the C minor scale. By the way, you can access and download the PDFs for all the parts of the Piano Basics series. The link will be in the description down below. In the section about scales, you'll see on the left a square where I mention the notes of the scale in order, but also the fingering for the left and right hand. The fingering refers to the finger placement on the keyboard. Basically, that's which finger you should use. How does it work? Well, when you look at your hands, we will assign a number from 1 to 5 going from your thumb to your pinky. So your thumb will be the 1 and your pinky will be the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's the same for the left. Thumb 1 and pinky 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's how the fingering works. For example, for the C major scale, you will see that the fingering for the right hand is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to use that fingering. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Then take your thumb and go up like that. 1, 2, 3, and then ending the scale, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's all for this part. In the next
come on. Excellent. And I am not magic.
Wouldn't you say? Another mook!
Okay.
Could we perhaps pay a visit back? I would not ask. And they can disturb the magic. You did it!
Another mook! Make Kuru popular. Change everything back. Hey, it worked. Another? Reverse! Reverse the spell on Kuru. Here you go.
Highness.
Destroy. You asked for it. Destroy! Destroy! Burst!
Getting dragged down with guys.
Reverse.
Carpet!
And we find love. I want my whole family to see you, now vanish. Anala, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that.
Diva.
Cool!
You won't take it. At least I have you to talk to along the way.
But now I take it back.
Where have you been? You don't understand power!